What is the probability? Okay. What is the probability of selecting a red king from the deck of cards? I hope the voice is clear now. Okay. So, what is the probability of selecting red king from the deck of cards? Deck of cards means total how many cards are there? 52. And we want, what is our favorable outcome? We want a red king. So, red cards are here. See, these are all red cards. Diamond and heart are red cards. Out of these two, where is king? How many kings are there? See, two kings are there. One from diamond, one from heart. So two red kings are there. Okay, one diamond red king and one heart red king is there. So favorable outcomes are two. So your probability of getting a red colored king card is favorable by total, which is 2 by 52. Well, so it is 1 by 26. Next question. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total number of cards are 52. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Okay. So how many red color kings are there? Just now we have done. So there are two red color kings. One red color king is from heart and one more red color king is from diamond. So probability of getting a red king is nothing but 2 by 52. So you will get it as 1 by 26. Next one is the second one, getting a face card. How many face cards are there? See, you have three face cards. See here, I said, what are face cards? King, Queen, and Jack. These three are called face cards. So you have King, Queen, Jack in first one, spades. You have King, Queen, Jack in club. You have King, Queen, Jack in diamond, and King, Queen, Jack in heart. So how many King, Queen, Jacks are there? You have it in spades. Three face cards are there. In clubs, three face cards are there. In hearts, three face cards. In diamond, three face cards are there. So total 3 4s are 12 face cards are there. So your probability of getting a face card is nothing but favorable by total, which is 12 by 52. You can cancel. 2 6 are, 2 26 are, or 2 3s and 13s are. See the next one, a red face card. I want only red face card. So how many red face cards are there? See, heart and diamond are red colored cards and 3 face cards you have. So total 6. Okay, 3 from heart and 3 from diamond. They are saying red. Red means which category? Only heart and diamond are red colored cards, isn't it? And face cards, you have 3 face cards in each category. Okay, so your probability of getting a red face card is favorable by total, which is 6 by 52. So 2 3s are 6, 2 26 are 52. Next one you see, Jack of Hearts. Jack of Hearts. So hearts is this division. Okay, in hearts I want a jack. How many jacks are there? Only one jack you will have in heart. Okay, so Jack of Heart means only one. So that's why that table you have to remember. Okay, so probability of getting Jack of Heart is nothing but 1 by 52. Next one, a spade. Spade, see, diamond, club, spade, heart. So spade total, how many cards are there? Spade is one full category, isn't it? See, spade is one full category. So you have total 13 spade cards. Okay. So your probability of getting a spade is nothing but favorable by total. So 13 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 4. Last bit, king of diamonds. Sixth bit, you see, king of diamonds. So if I want king of diamonds, see diamond cards, total 13 cards are there. In that, how many kings are there in diamond? Only one king is there, isn't it? So king of diamond means favorable outcome is 1. So your probability of getting king of diamond is nothing but favorable by total, which is 1 by 52. Easy. The only thing you have to do here is remember the table. First introduction. Next 5 cards The 10, Jack, King, Queen, and Ace of Diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. So I have taken 5 cards. The 10 means 10 number card, then Jack, then Queen, King, and Ace. Okay, so 5 cards we have taken like this. Number 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. So these cards are well shuffled, okay, nicely shuffled, and they are faced downwards. So you kept it downwards, okay, in the reverse order, so that you cannot see which card it is. So like this, you have placed it downwards so that you don't see the name of it. Okay, now one card is selected at random. So out of these 5 cards, one card you are taking out at random. So can you tell me total number of cards? It is only 5. Okay, how many cards did you take? Only 5 cards. Did they say the word deck of cards or pack of cards anywhere? There is no mention of the word deck of cards, or there is no mention of the word pack of cards. So only 5 cards are given, so it is only 5. If they say deck of cards or pack of cards, it will be 52. Clear? Okay. So next, see the first bit, probability that the card is a queen. So if I pick one card, how many queens are there in this card? Only one queen is there, no? So your probability of a queen is nothing but favorable by total, which is 1 by 5. You understood why we wrote 5? Yes. Next question, you see, if the queen is selected and put aside. So you are selecting this queen out and you are putting it aside. So queen is not there now. What is the probability that the second card selected is ace? Okay, now you're taking out a queen and you're putting it aside. So when you're putting it aside, first of all, what are the total number of cards? 5 cards were there, out of which queen card you took it and kept it aside. So how many cards are there now? Only 4 cards are there. Okay, how many are there? Only 4 cards are there now. Okay, so total will be 4. So now they're asking you why only 4 cards? Because here they mentioned without replacement. So 5 cards were there, you took out 1 card and you did not replace. So how many are remaining? Only 4. Now they're asking what is the probability that the second card selected is an ace. So from these 4 cards, if I want to select one ace, how many ace cards are there? See, only one ace card is there. So probability of ace card is favorable by total, which is 1 by 4. See the next one. We want probability of queen. So how many queens are there now? You have taken out this queen. This queen is not there now. Okay, now how many queens are there? 0 queens are there out of 4 cards. So probability of queen is nothing but favorable by total. So 0 by 4, which is 0. Clear? Let me know if you have any doubt here. Yes. Look at the next one. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region as shown. So what is the probability that it crashed inside the lake? Okay, so this is not related to cards, but as I said, the entire chapter we divided into 2 parts. So cards concept is over. Now this is called geometrical probability. Okay, so we will be dealing with the areas here. So look at the question. There is a missing helicopter. Okay, so the missing helicopter has crashed. Okay, so an helicopter is flying. So this helicopter has crashed here. So it has crashed somewhere in the rectangle part. Okay, so your total outcomes could be anywhere in the rectangle. So there is a rectangular region, a helicopter came and it crashed here. So it could be anywhere in the rectangle. So what is the total outcome is nothing but the area of the rectangle. Okay, this entire space is the total outcome. Okay, it can be anywhere in the entire space, right? So it can occupy the entire space of the rectangle. So your total outcome is the area of rectangle. So what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth is the formula. Okay, here length is 9 kilometers, see, and breadth is 4.5 kilometers. So simply 9 into 4.5 you can do. So how much is this? 9 4s are 36, 36 plus half of 9. Yes. What is half of 9? So it would be 40.5. So 40.5 kilometer square is the total possibility where the helicopter can crash. Now, what is the favorable outcome? What is the probability that it crashed inside the lake? Where is the lake? See, lake is here. This blue color one is a lake. So you have to find the probability that the aeroplane, the helicopter has crashed inside the lake. Okay. So what are the dimensions of the lake? That will be my favorable outcome. Okay. So lake dimension will be the favorable outcome. How will I get this? See, this total is 9. Yes, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if total is 9, and from here to here, if it is 6, so this will be 3. Now this total, this side is 4.5 breadth. So this part is true. So this part will be 2.5. Okay. So area of lake is nothing but my favorable outcome, and area of lake is length into breadth. Length is 3 and breadth is 2.5. So 3 2s are 6 and half of 3. So you'll get 7.5 meter square here. Okay. So now if I want the probability, how will I get the probability? Probability that the helicopter falls in the lake is favorable by total. Favorable outcome is the area of the lake, which is 7.5. Total outcome is the area of the rectangle, which is 40.5. So decimal you can multiply and divide by 10 and remove the decimal. Now with 5 table you can cancel. 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 1s are. Again 3 table you can take. So 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 and 7s are. Okay, so 5 by 27 is the probability that the helicopter will crash inside the lake. Okay, so what are we doing? The total outcome area I am calculating, which is a rectangle. Then the lake area I calculated, which is also a rectangle. And rectangle area, you know, it is nothing but length into breadth. Clear? Yes, look at this question now. So you're drop a die at random. Okay, so I'm just dropping a die at random on a rectangular region. So this is a rectangular region on which I am dropping the die. Okay, so I need to find the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter of the circle is given. So when I drop a die in the rectangle, where can the die fall? What is the total outcome? Die can fall anywhere in the rectangle. I'm dropping the die on the table, for example. It can fall anywhere on the table. Right, so the total outcome is the area of the rectangle. Okay, same like the previous question. Total outcome is the area of the rectangle. And how do I calculate the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Length is 3 and breadth is 2. So 6 meters square is the area of the rectangle. Now what is the favorable outcome? I want the die to fall inside the circle. This is the favorable outcome. Only the circle. So area of the circle is a favorable outcome. Yes or no? So area of circle is pi r square. But is radius given? Diameter is given as 1 meter. So radius is half meter. So how do I calculate? Pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 11s are. So you get it as 11 by 14. Okay. Now if I want to find the probability that the die will fall inside the circle is favorable by total. Favorable outcome is nothing but area of circle. Where I want the die to fall is my favorable outcome. I want it to fall in the circle, so area of circle. By total, possible outcomes are area of rectangle. It can fall anywhere in the rectangle. So area of circle is 11 by 14 meter square. Whole divided by area of rectangle is 6 meter square. 6 I can write as 6 by 1. So it is 11 by 14 into 1 by 6. Okay. So 11 by, this is the probability that the die will fall inside the circle. Okay. So that's all for today. The notes of this will be available on mathfacilitator.com website, so you can go and check it out. And sorry for the delay in the classes. So I hope and wish that I could provide you regular classes at least from now. Okay, but any which ways, don't worry. I'll complete all the concepts before your exams. Okay, concepts from February 1st, previous year questions will definitely start, and you also have pre-finals. So all those who have pre-finals, do send me your question papers also, so that we can discuss and prepare for the final exams. Okay, because every district will have a different question paper. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.